Today we will discuss about World Environment Day.
The World Environment Day is observed on the 5th of June every year for encouraging worldwide awareness and action to protect our environment. The day has been celebrated since 1974 by engaging governments, businesses, celebrities, and citizens to focus their efforts on a pressing environmental issue.
Some key takeaways.
It is celebrated every year on June 5th to remind people about the importance of nature. The World Environment Day theme 2021 is Ecosystem Restoration. World Environment Day 2021 will also mark the beginning of the United Nations Decade on Ecosystem Restoration. Pakistan will host World Environment Day 2021. The main idea behind celebrating World Environment Day is to highlight the importance of the environment and to remind people that nature should not be taken for granted. According to the UN, this day provides us with an opportunity to broaden the basis for an enlightened opinion and responsible conduct by communities, enterprises, and individuals in preserving and enhancing the environment. It is celebrated across the globe to respect and acknowledge everything that the environment has given us and to take the pledge that we will protect it. On this day, governments and normal citizens focus their efforts on a particular environmental issue to generate awareness.
This is your friend Major Rashmi Rana from UPSC Lounge. I hope you all are keeping well and of course busy during this tough time of Corona pandemic. Today, I wish to speak to the homemakers who has got the unfinished agenda of becoming IAS and IPS officers. I know it's very difficult to manage kids, family and studies all together. Many of us have compromised our studies, our career, in fact I must say our dreams at some level. As you see, there are many women candidates who topped the UPSC examination after marriage, in fact after having kids. They are from us and you could be the next. Only thing is required: determination, hard work and proper mentoring. Determination and hard work are the promises you will give to us. Proper mentoring and guidance is our assurance to you. Avlamban means self-reliance, means believe in yourself. It's an integrated, customized and flexible programs for homemakers. Available in Hindi and English, both mediums. Here, I would burst one more myth that only English medium students top the competitive exams. There are many examples where plenty of students from Hindi mediums top the UPSC examination. The main features of Swavlamban are online mode of learning around 500 hours, duration 1 to 2 years, predefined syllabus and daily target drill, weekly prelims and mains test series, evaluation and feedback criteria within 24 hours, quality mentorship preferably by female buddies, value-added notes and Josh Talk by IAS, IPS and defense officers. So what are you waiting for, ladies? Let's join our hand together for the journey to fulfill your dreams. Together we can do it. Sapne aapke, koshish hamari, and that's called Swavlamban. So subscribe Swavlamban series at upsclounge.com. Thank you. Jai Hind.